Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you how easy it is to create nice, aesthetically pleasing Instagram story posts, whether it's to showcase your company's products or just for your own personal Instagram. Let's jump into it. So to get started, we're going to go ahead and pick a template that we like. There's tons of websites out there that offer free templates, for example Motion Array or PicMonkey, but I'm going to go with Envato Elements as they offer thousands and thousands of design and make it really easy and simplistic to use. If you do want to check them out, there's a link in the description. So once you've found the templates you like, go ahead and click the download button. From there, you're going to go into Photoshop and open the file you just downloaded. As you can see, an error message comes up when I try edit or change the font, and this is because the original editor used a font that I currently don't have downloaded. I could go ahead and find this font, but for now I'm just going to choose a different one. Then, it's as easy as getting one of your product pictures and inserting it into the template. These templates are completely customizable, so you can adjust colors, fonts, etc. to match your company or personal style. An amazing thing about these templates is that they've been designed specifically for Instagram stories, so you don't have to reformat or change the size or dimensions of anything. Here, I'll show you another example. Say I want to put the basketball scores for last night's game up on my story. With this template, it's so easy. All I have to do is add my team's logo, and edit whatever stats I want. See, I also just threw in a background picture of Steph Curry, and there it is. It's that easy, everyone, to edit and make super nice, super clean Instagram stories. If you enjoyed the video, please consider liking and subscribing.